Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. This came in two places in the Holy Quran. One in Surah Ibrahim, verse number 34, and once in Surah An-Nahl, verse number 18. The surprising thing is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't use the word ni'am, that is the plural of blessings, but used the word ni'mah, that is a single blessing. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. If you try to count a blessing of Allah, you cannot count it. So we wonder, how is it possible to count a single blessing? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us mind. Actually, Allah is the all-knowing, all-wise. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best about all Allah's blessings. But as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us mind, therefore, we must try to think about this verse and about this word ni'mah, which means a single blessing. And we should try to count a single blessing. Now let us count, let us take the blessing of eyesight, vision, the eyesight. First of all, for eyesight, we are given two eyes, not one eye. Again, this vision, we have different type of visions. Sometimes what happens, a person cannot see in the darkness of the night, and it is said that the person has night blindness. So we have eyesight, special eyesight in the daylight and special eyesight in the darkness of the night. And of course there are separate cells for these two types of vision. In the retina there are different types of cells. Also, you may have heard that someone is color blind. So the person cannot enjoy the colorful world. That means for colors, we have another special type of vision. Then sometimes it is said that someone is color blind for green color. It means that person cannot see the green leaves of all the trees, so is deprived of the beauty of the green world. And that means that we are given, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Almighty God has given us a type of vision for every type of color. How many colors are there in this world? We cannot count the colors. And we are given ability to see every color. How many blessings are these? In one blessing, how many blessings are included? Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Allah, Almighty God, has the right to be worshipped. and we must prostrate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We cannot pay the thanks of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for Allah's blessings. We cannot count a single blessing. A single blessing is composed of so many blessings. Then we also know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us ability to keep balance, to remain stable. And this balance is maintained, according to medical science, it is maintained through the ears, through the 8th cranial nerve. But it is also maintained through the eyes. These eyes also have this blessing for us. So, surely, one blessing cannot be counted. This is what we understand now due to the scientific developments, but the reality is known to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah knows the best how much vast is a single blessing that we cannot count it. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka hamidum majid.